I'm loving angels instead. And Thriller, she offers me protection. One of the great things about being flexible is that you can, if ever you lose your keys, you can always slide in the window. Today, we're going to be looking at wrist stretches that you can do in your kitchen. Ooh. Most people are just going to teach you, actually, I don't care about most people. You can stretch your wrists in any which way. The basic is obviously something like that, stretching your wrist backwards. I feel a stretch on my forearms. Place your hands that way, stretch forwards. Now I feel a stretch at the front. You can stretch your wrist this way. Again, I'm just creating different stretches. Doesn't matter, I can take my hands anyway. Turn my hands inwards, turn my hands outwards. The best way to get your wrist strong is by doing the frog stand, the headstand, etc. So the frog stand, I'm using my hands, I'm getting my wrist ready. The headstand, exactly the same motion, hands in the same place, getting my hands ready. I don't have to be this way. I could have my wrist this way, I could be on fingertips, could have my hands out. It really doesn't matter. Many different positions to be in. Pow. But I want to stretch my wrists in all different directions when I'm doing the front support. Maybe I want to spin my hands over. Start on one hand at the beginning. Again, you're just spending some time on your hands, spinning your wrists, getting your wrists open. Or I can do similar shapes to what I did on the floor, and you just get to see feet. Yeah. I've been Roger Frampton. That's your life hack. I'm out of here. I'm back.